But again, with the second voyage, it was 1,000 ships of supplies and then another 1,000 ships of men. Now, according to our oral history, the Garifuna people are descendants of African explorers from Abubakari, who abdicated the throne in 1311. He decided that he had already conquered all of the lands that were over there around that time. So he said he wanted to go ahead and just leave the land and he was going to conquer the sea. So his first voyage was in 1310. 1310, he left with 200 ships. He had a ship of men and he had a ship of supplies. Amongst those 200 ships, only one ship returned. So he decided he wanted to go ahead and explore further. So on his next voyage in 1311, he went ahead and he abdicated his throne. He said, hey, I don't want this anymore. You guys can have this. I don't want this throne. So with that being said, he left everything that he knew behind over there. He left the religion. He left the whole kingdom. He left, if you know about the history of Mali during that time, they were one of the most richest nations. And he left all of that behind. So he could come and conquer over here. Well, not conquer, but to come and, travel and see what's on the other side. Noted history about the current in Africa. What happens is there's two currents that flows directly into the Americas. We're not the first explorers who came over here. We weren't the first. Of course, we know Christopher Columbus wasn't the first. We had the Vikings, we had the Asians, we had so many other peoples that were here before. But again, with the second voyage, it was 1,000 ships of supplies and then another 1,000 ships of men that arrived to the new land.